We have like 8 or 9 different mics to play with around the piano, and we're going to be trying all kinds of things in this extraordinary room. Recording in Abbey Road is something I never really imagined I would do, because the kind of music I make doesn't traditionally require huge spaces like this.
We didn't create these presets with any particular music in mind. It was more about how could we allow people to kind of expand what they already know about being in a car environment, if you like.
Technology and music, I mean, I owe my life to it. The ability to layer up sound upon sound, that was clearly what I was built to do in life. For the Expansive preset, I came with more of an improvisatory idea, so I had some starting points, and try and capture the sound of this room, this extraordinary room and all the history that's in it, just really making use of that as an instrument. Yeah, I mean, the idea of just having a word and creating for that word is actually really inspiring for me. This word, expansive, makes something for that. It's a great framework to get started with.
A lot of the gear we still have here at Abbey Road was kind of built to spec, to the tastes of the Abbey Road recording engineers. It was never available commercially, and some of the gear actually never left Abbey Road.
So to be invited here to do this, playing on one of the greatest pianos I've ever played, with all the extraordinary microphone and also the expertise of the engineers here who've been here for so long, I feel very lucky, really. It's quite a surreal and wonderful experience.